Just like we did a video on the basics of nutrition, I would also like to touch on the basics of metabolism. The reason that I was very keen to do this is that metabolism is a term which is very loosely used and quite misunderstood. Metabolism is not reactions connected to just food. It is the reactions that take place within the body all the time. It's happening always. The metabolism is never asleep. It's never in the off position. It's always on. Metabolic reactions are of two types. The first type is catabolic, where larger substances are broken into their smaller components for use within the body. And then there are anabolic reactions where smaller components come together and make larger substances, again to be used somewhere in the body. What are the purposes of metabolism? Metabolism has basically three purposes in our body. One is to convert our food into energy. The second is to convert our food into our building blocks, repair ourselves, build ourselves. And the third is to eliminate the waste products from our body. Normally, a body always requires to be in a state called homeostasis or a balanced state. Anything goes wrong somewhere, the body compensates with a compensatory reaction somewhere else. For instance, when you're running and your body temperature goes up, you start to sweat. So that with the sweat, not only are you removing your waste, you're also cooling your body with that liquid. So this is how homeostasis works to keep us in the balanced state. When this balance is disturbed, we are supposed to be metabolically challenged. Dr. Gerald M. Raven coined a term called Syndrome X. This was somewhere in 1988. He was studying the correlation between all the metabolic parameters, and he came up with the idea that if any three of your 5 metabolic parameters are out of the normal zone, then you suffer from what later on came to be known as metabolic syndrome. He earlier referred to it as Syndrome X. Now, what were the 5 parameters that he was talking about? And out of these, if any 3 are out of line, then you are metabolically challenged or you have metabolic syndrome. The parameters that he spoke about was triglyceride over 150, HDL below 40, blood sugar over 110, blood pressure over 130 by 85, and BMI over 30. These are all more or less what we like to call sister conditions, because if one comes in, they don't come in isolation. Normally 2 or 3 always come in together. Usually the trouble starts with one becoming overweight or obese. So when your BMI goes out of whack, then you find that blood sugar is challenged, you find that your pressure is challenged, you find that your HDL is dropping, you find that your triglycerides are going up. So this is how the system works. This is metabolic syndrome. This is all that I had to say about metabolism and metabolic syndrome. And we'll be back with many videos shortly. Thank you.